Hey guys, welcome back to Tim Zombie Bushcraft, and this is just the second and final video on the tactical gear stand. First video I showed it to you just plain, and now it's in use. Just wanted you to notice that it's basically just as it says, a gear stand. Get your gear ready and get it on the stand, and it's ready to go at a moment's notice. So regardless of the fever or nuclear strike or whatever it may be that we're trying to prepare for, maybe it's just a weekend going camping, everything's ready to go. So that's what it looks like in use. Basically in bottom I've got boots in place, hanging on the midsection, and the upper section I've got different backpacks. Now that one's not geared up and ready to go, but it's a lot easier to move it around, which I've done without any gear in it. So boots on the bottom, packs hanging. Things that I'm going to throw on a MOLLE pack right away would be obviously, you know, your canteen, your water, and a good survival knife. And